Z7 Top here with another video where today we're doing some Fly Happy Bird. I'm probably not going to make this but 2 minutes long, but who cares? I really don't want to make a long video today. Not when I'm supposed to be working right now, so. Well, if you guys like this video, please leave a like, comment, and subscribe if you want more stuff like this. In the background, probably hear the Amazing World of Gumball. Yes, because I'm watching the Amazing World of Gumball, and this is a wonderful game because I love this game and I love it so much. I don't know why I'm talking so much. My freaking phone's vibrating. I'm gonna have to get rid of it. Okay, I'm hitting 1 minute. I've tried to record this 8 times already, just like my baseball one. So guys, if you like this video, please leave a like, comment, and subscribe, and I will leave some more stuff on this. I know I didn't play as much as I wanted to play, but who cares? This has been DZ7 Top here, and I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, subscribe, and comment, and be a part of the Top Kings today. Peace!